What's going on, everyone? Today's the 23rd of July, 2023. Real quick, I'm going to do a price prediction update in the market in Litecoin, trying to figure out why in the world are people rushing to sell this cryptocurrency Litecoin. You guys can tell that I've done a price prediction in Litecoin back here on July the 8th, and I'm not surprised to see the market going down. Like, what can I say? We anticipated that Litecoin was weak, and that is precisely what price has done. We've been seeing price ever so slightly, ever so gently go lower. Now, take a look at this. What happened on the 14th of July? Why would the market be in such a rush to sell Litecoin on that particular day? Because the day before, you guys can tell that we'd received a pretty good indication that the market was bullish. But then immediately the next day, the price comes back down, and it really encompasses all of the trading action that occurred the previous day. That tells you that people was rushing to get out their position in Litecoin. Now, the market on this particular day, on the 14th, you guys can tell that it closed above that trend line. Okay, see that? It closed above this trend line that we identified in Litecoin. That tells you that the buyers felt like, oh man, I need to come back into the market and buy Litecoin. But soon after, the price has completely traded below that trend. So we're not really trending higher in Litecoin anymore. That also is a negative for the bulls in this currency. And then we have yesterday's trading action. Look at this. This still tells you that the market is weaker. It's still weak right there. So if I show you a different time frame, we should generally still see how weak Litecoin really is. I'm going to get rid of this trend line because the market definitely is no longer trending above it. And whenever price is not trending above a trend line, then obviously the market is no longer trending that direction. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to figure out how low price is going to go in Litecoin. It's just that simple. Okay, so the market look like it may actually begin to trade within a trading channel. You guys can tell how often price in Litecoin has touched both of those lines. That is going to be our attention focus going forward. Here it is on the 2-day chart into Litecoin. You guys can see here that the market generally is still weak. Here it is on the 3-day chart. There's definitely been a massive emphasis of selling going on in Litecoin over the last couple of 3 days, especially right here on this 3-day price bar. We're still seeing selling now in Litecoin on this 3-day price bar. Take a look at this on the 5. Take a look at this on the weekly chart. Okay. Here it is on the 2. And the 3. So all in all, I'm not bullish into the market in Litecoin right now. I still suspect that price has a little bit ways to go to the downside. I'm not going to change my price prediction either, because it's still a chance that the market can hold 88 bucks. But looking at this on the 2-weekly chart, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in Litecoin run down to 80. Okay, so from that duration, from that time period, I wouldn't be surprised to see that occur in Litecoin. But I'm not going to change my price prediction. I just wanted to come in and show you that nothing has changed in regards to why people are in such a rush to sell their Litecoin in this cryptocurrency. We're not going to change it. And as always, if you're seeing yourself in profit and you're beginning to doubt how low price is going to continue to go, take some of this profit off the table then. You guys can already see this 5.5% profit win already into the market in Litecoin. Congratulate yourself, because you are at least somewhat correct in your analysis as to where you think price is going to go. So do that if you have to. That's the name of the game, is to come in and actually win in this space. So I'm not changing anything. I just wanted to come and give you all an update to see if anything did change, and so far nothing has. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.